Hey guys, so it's Wise King International with the one and only Mike. Now, Biswa. So today is a hike day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're about to start this day, an eventful day. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Tuko bahati na hatuna bahati. Hey, Nabiso, how is the hike to you so far?
Crazy, man.
Move this.
Sorry, man.
Yes.
It's crazy that hill.
Yeah.
It's almost
What hill? Oh, you mean that hill?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
making my heart just pop, man.
Oh, yeah. How is the hike so far?
Really hard.
Yeah.
The hike.
How is the hike?
I'm breaking a sweat.
You're breaking a sweat. Yeah, how is the? Yes, you are. Yes. Oh.
Enjoying the hike, yo.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, my hair is baking, but yeah.
Yeah. What hike?
The one that we're taking a hike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To where?
Sip water.
Yeah, sip water.
Keep hydrated.
Keep hydrated. Yeah. Hey guys! Yeah. Freedom. Where are we right now?
Jesus, it's a video.
Yeah, we out. Oh.